So in this video we're given a literal equation. This equation involves two variables, 2x plus y equals 12. This time we're asked to solve for one of the variables, but unlike in the previous video, we're not given a numerical value for it. We're not given a numerical value for x. So we're still just asked to solve for y. So we write our equation down here, and we want to solve for y. It means we want to get y by itself. Okay, so think in terms of a regular equation. If you want to get y by itself, we need to get rid of the stuff that's being added or subtracted to it. So we need to make that 2x go away. Since it's a positive 2x, we can subtract it. And because it's an equation, we must do it to both sides. Now here's where things take a different turn than what they would have done before in the other problems we've done. The 2x goes away, but on the other side we have 12 minus 2x. Those are not like terms, so you can't put those together. And so that's actually going to stay as the expression 12 minus 2x. And so now we have y equals, so we've solved it for y. The big difference is we're not getting a number answer. The big difference is we're not getting a number answer, we're getting an answer involving an expression. Okay, let's consider this next example. What if we take the same equation that we just had, and instead of solving it for y, let's solve it for x. Okay, so here I'm going to just put a little underline under the x to indicate to myself, hey, that's what I want to solve for. And then I can start thinking about, well, how can I get that by itself? Well, first off, we can get rid of the y. We need to have x by itself, so we get rid of the stuff that's being added or subtracted first. We do that to both sides. The big difference is 12 minus y won't simplify. It just stays as 12 minus y. And now we're down to 2x equals something. So again, to get x by itself, we divide by 2. At this point, we get the answer x equals 12 minus y over 2. And that answer is perfectly fine. That answer is perfectly fine. Some of you might be looking at this and saying, well, wait a minute, can I cross out the 2 and the 12? Right, can I cross those out? And be able to put the 6 up top and just have 6 minus y? Actually, no, we can't do that. It's tempting, and it sometimes seems like you should be able to do that, but we actually can't. So what you can do if you want to do a little more extra work is we can break that fraction apart into a separate fraction. 12 over 2 minus y over 2. Right? And from there we can simplify the 12 over 2 now and get 6 minus y over 2. Y over 2 we can't really do much with. So either one of those two answers there is perfectly fine for that problem. What you don't want to do is cancel the 12 and the 2 and give an answer like 6 minus y. Okay, we don't want to do that. But we could break it apart and keep simplifying to get the answer.